everybody.
Welcome back. Back in the kitchen with Granny, and a lot of y'all asked for a dessert recipe, so she is going to show us a quick, simple, anybody can do it dessert recipe that is so good, right?
Right.
What's it called?
Cherry Delight.
Cherry Delight. Now, quick question about this. Do you have to use cherries, or could you use
You can
blueberries?
use you use cherry pie filling. That's what the recipe says. But I use blueberries sometimes.
Because I
It's
like
different.
blueberries, and I would think.
And also you stack it 3 layers high. Sometimes after you do the first layer, I'll add something different to it, instead of just leaving it
Plain.
I'll show it whenever we
Okay.
go there.
All right. So all the ingredients that we're using in this recipe will be listed in the description section below. So it looks like first she's going to be mixing her Cool Whip. It's just an 8-ounce thing of Cool Whip.
8-ounce Cool Whip.
And we're going to be using this size casserole dish, which is, I do believe, a 9 by 13. And you said it'll be 3 layers high.
And 3 cups of milk.
3 cups of milk.
And 1 8-ounce Cool Whip.
1 8-ounce Cool Whip. Okay.
All right. And you mix that a little bit, and then you put your pie filling in there.
Oh,
And-
in it? You put it in it? Oh,
Yeah.
I thought you put it on top of it.
Oh, no, you put it in. No, I'm talking about this is your pie filling.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. I'm thinking of the cherries.
Yeah.
And of course, you got to be a little bit messy, huh? So this is a favorite. You take this to church a lot?
I do a lot of times, and it goes fast.
Because it makes a
Okay,
lot.
put
Huh?
my pudding mix in there.
In here?
Mm-hmm.
And then we do 2 packs of the vanilla
Instant.
instant
Or
pudding.
either 1 pack of the large.
Yeah, I couldn't get the large, so I had to get 2 of the smaller boxes. So, where I went, they didn't have any of the large boxes. That looks good.
It's good. Very good.
And you just use your whisk.
I do. It'll thicken a little bit.
I mean, I could just drink that.
Yeah. Well, you're not though.
Okay.
I have to keep her straight. I've had to do that all of her life. All right, we're going with our first layer.
Okay. And how do you know how much to do? You just...
You guess.
Oh, okay. That's easy to do.
That's easy to do.
I'll come over this way a little bit so they can see you in that camera. There we go. Perfect. And then you just kind of you just want to cover the bottom?
Yeah. Just maybe a little bit more of that. Put that where they drip on this right here.
Okay.
All right.
So a nice coat on the
Okay.
bottom.
Now,
So you're just going to lay your graham crackers out. Look how smart you are.
I didn't get this way not being smart.
You're not as sassy today. What's wrong with you? You was extra sassy in our last video.
Oh, yeah, well, I slept good last night.
Oh, okay. Glad you did, because I didn't.
I did. Thank the Lord. That's about to
Uh-oh. Let me see who it is.
see who it is. Answer.
Call from Zoom.
Hello. Hey. Yeah, we filming a video. Okay. Bye.
Who was it?
That was A Sue calling to check on you. I told her I had you working. I said I got this woman working.
I could have stirred it a little longer, but it don't hurt it.
That looks so good. And then you'll put another layer of graham crackers.
Another layer of graham crackers.
Let me stir this a little bit while
Yeah, do it.
I'm cooking. I'm cooking, y'all. Let me taste that. That's good. Buster's wanting to know, hey, what y'all doing up there? I know. You can't have none of this. And you basically just break them up and cover your...
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what you do. Okey-doke. Now you put the rest of it.
Ooh, and it's going to be a good thick layer. You're going to use the rest of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, where did you learn this recipe? Did
Lord,
you just
I
make
don't
it
know.
up?
Probably. No, I think Sue come up with this one.
Oh, really?
I think she did.
Wow. Of course, it don't include cooking. Right. It's just mixing a few items together. No, I'm just picking it. So you used to cook all the time.
She don't.
She don't anymore,
Oh, yeah.
but she used to.
So did I.
Well, you still do.
I know I do.
But
I'd be
you love
lost.
it.
I'd be lost if I couldn't cook.
That's your love language, Granny.
Right. Well, I don't. If you remember, I fed about 3,000 a day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now.
Okay, I'm going to tilt this camera down so we can see what that looks like. That looks so good.
All right. Now, mess my spoon up.
You need to use
Okay.
another spoon?
Oh, this is fine.
Okay.
All right. You take the cherry pie filling, and I'll give you a tip. They got it at the Dollar Tree. That's where I got mine. And that's what you need, one box. And you just smear it across it.
And then what do? Chill it? You put it in the refrigerator?
You can for a little while.
Oh, it don't have to be served cold?
Not really. Yeah, it would be, yeah. You
Yeah,
need
because
it.
of the Cool Whip and the
Yeah,
pudding.
you wouldn't know it. You wouldn't want it hot.
Even I'm that smart, Granny.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Give me a little credit, but I definitely would want the blueberries. I'm not a big cherry fan, but
No, that's pretty. That
would be really pretty for Christmas, wouldn't it?
Yep.
I mean, it can't get any simpler than that, can it?
All right. Now, did we read off the ingredients?
If you want to read it off to them.
Okay.
This one right here.
It's either 2 small or 1 large instant vanilla pudding, 3 cups of milk, 1 8-ounce Cool Whip, 1 box of graham crackers, 1 can of cherry pie filling, or any kind you'd want.
Okay. And then
That's it.
I mean, that is just, and look how pretty that is. I mean, Granny, that was quick and simple.
Very simple. You could actually make it in 10 minutes if you had all your stuff ready.
Like we
I
did.
could.
Like we did.
Yeah.
We had it all set out. We was all professional.
That's it.
All right, well, come on. We got to say our goodbyes. I'll clean the kitchen up.
Okay. You gonna mop it too?
I'll mop it for you.
Okay.
Man, y'all see what I go through for y'all to do these videos? I have to clean your kitchen, and now she's wanting me to mop. But I'll do it.
Did you notice I said I got these cherries at the Dollar Tree?
Well, there you go.
Did you notice I also got the Cool Whip at the Dollar Tree?
You got it from the Dollar Tree?
Yeah.
Cool Whip?
They have Cool Whip. You ought to go in there sometime.
Well, I do, but I don't ever look at the groceries. I always look at the decorations
Good
and
girl.
craft stuff.
Now you see what.
Well, I got the milk and the graham crackers and the pudding.
Okay.
Well, there you go. That's her quick dessert. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You gonna tell them bye?
Bye.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.